7 of the RTR 2009, it is clearly mentioned here that the state government shall, after taking into consideration the sum provided by the central government above and the mandatory matching state share, provide the balance fund necessary to fulfill the estimate for the implementation of the Act. It is recommended that the state should meet the balance amount from its own resources, including the additional fund developed under the 14th Finance Commission. So see, the Honorable Chief Minister is very aware of this. The Education Minister is very aware of this. But we are very surprised why they are trying to mislead the SSA teachers, as I said in particular, and the people of Meghalaya in general. And today, through the press and media, both print and electronics, we demand from the state government to immediately release this additional fund amounting rupees 104 crores, so that the state project director office will be in position to pay our pending salary, which is pending for almost 5 months. Also mentioned here, incidentally, it may be mentioned that the Finance Department, white letter number dated 4th March 2020, agreed to release rupees 34.10 crores against capping norms of teachers' salary for the financial year 2019-20, but as of date, the same has not been released. Similarly, additional fund of rupees 33.946 crores against capping norms of teachers' salary for the financial year 2020-21 has also not been released, although CMAM paid teachers' salary as per existing rate by taking loan in anticipation of receipt of fund from the state government. See, here it is clearly mentioned that the state have agreed to pay this additional amount. But it is very surprised to see here that though the state have agreed, the same was not released till date. So we want to raise a question to the state government why they are not releasing this fund amounting rupees 104 crores so that the office of the state project director will be in a position to pay our pending 5 months salary. Added to this, very interesting, okay? I think all of us remember what is the statement made by our Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma. In his statement, he mentioned that SSA program is a financial support, a funding pattern between the center and the state government of 90:10 ratio. But as per the letter sent by the Honorable Minister of Education, Government of India, Sir Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, on 22nd January 2021, he mentioned clearly regarding the capping norms whose responsibility is it falls under whose responsibility. Here, according to this letter, see here it is clearly mentioned here that as regards capping norm of salary of teachers under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, it is informed that while finalizing the scheme, representatives of all states and UTs were requested to share their views, suggestion on the concept note and the design of the scheme. The suggestion comments of the state UTs on the concept note for the proposed integrated scheme for school education were accommodated in the scheme. Accordingly, financial support to the teachers, head teachers, headmaster, principal has been restricted as per the prevalent fund sharing pattern based on the financial norms of the scheme. Here the Honorable Minister of Education himself have written a letter to our Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma, which he clearly mentioned that it is the duty of the state government to bond this additional amount. Because before finalizing the proposal sent by the state government, they already have a PAB meeting. In that PAB meeting, they have discussed everything. So the state and the central government have agreed, and after they have agreed, okay, here it is mentioned that regarding the financial support, it will be as per the financial norms of the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan.